Welcome back to the 5-Minute Evaluation Resource Series, a series designed to help you build evidence for educator effectiveness. Here's where we left off. In our first video, we introduce you to this new series of resources designed to help people passionate about education programs to learn evaluation concepts, and by using these resources, take you from here to here, so you can have productive and informed discussions with your evaluator. And now, the evaluation life cycle. This video provides an overview of stages in the life cycle of an evaluation and introduces you to standards required for the What Works Clearinghouse, the Department of Education's standards for establishing rigorous evaluation evidence. The life cycle of an evaluation has several distinct but related stages: plan and design, identify and follow participants, collect and store data, analyze data, and report and use findings. Probably the most important thing you can do as you plan and design your evaluation is to be clear about what some people call your theory of change, or logic model. In other words, what is it about your program that is going to influence the change you want it to make? And who will be the people that are changed because of the program? These answers will drive most other decisions in your evaluation. In order to have a study that meets WWC standards, you need to consider the study design that is most rigorous, feasible, and works best for your program. The important thing here is that in most cases, the only way to meet standards is to have a valid comparison group. You need a group of people who are as similar as possible to the group enrolled in your program. WWC allows for several types of what they call group study designs. The gold standard of group designs is when you randomly assign individuals or schools to either participate in a program or not participate in a program. This is called a randomized controlled trial, or RCT. When an RCT isn't possible, other designs can be used as well. We have a resource that defines the different designs. Once you've chosen the design, you will need to identify and recruit the participants. Important considerations in this stage include determining how many people you need in your study for the results to be meaningful, addressing changes in study participants as time passes, and ensuring you don't treat the groups differently in ways that might change your results. This stage includes identifying the data and measures best for demonstrating that the change you predicted has occurred. WWC requires that the outcome data actually measure the outcome that you anticipate, is not unfairly biased towards your program, and must be collected in the same way for all groups in your evaluation sample. The standards related to the data analysis stage help ensure that the analysis isn't biased. For example, evaluators must follow WWC guidelines to account for missing data. Missing data occurs when information such as teacher or student characteristics are not known for particular individuals in a study. Finally, the WWC has specific guidelines for reporting data to help individuals compare results across several evaluations. The Improvement Index, for example, is designed to help practitioners and policymakers understand the magnitude of difference your program would make on the average person in your study. If your Improvement Index was reported to be +8, it would indicate that a student who was at the 50% mark without the intervention would be expected to be at the 58% mark with the intervention. The stages of the evaluation life cycle provide the structure to help you target your topics of interest. You can find the resources mentioned in this video in the Evaluation Resource Database. Watch for more videos and easy-to-understand resources in this series in the near future.